living on an balanced meals to accommodate different dietary needs and preferences. Dining facilities are organized on a rotating schedule to ensure continuous access to fresh food at all hours. Crew members often gather in designated mess areas to socialize, relax, and refuel before returning to duty. Balancing work responsibilities with leisure time is crucial for crew members and pilots to maintain mental and emotional well-being. Aircraft carriers offer recreational spaces such as gyms, lounges, libraries, and movie theaters for downtime activities. Fitness equipment, sports facilities, and organized events promote physical exercise and social interaction. Crew members engage in hobbies, games, and leisure pursuits to unwind and recharge before resuming duty. Periodic breaks on land provide crew members and pilots with much-needed respite from the intense environment of an aircraft carrier. Shore leave opportunities allow personnel to explore local ports, interact with civilians, and experience new cultures. Visits to landmarks, restaurants, shops, and recreational facilities offer a break from the routine of shipboard life. Maintaining connections with loved ones ashore and taking time to decompress contribute to overall morale and resilience. Returning home after a deployment or mission cycle on an aircraft carrier is a significant milestone for crew members and pilots. The transition from the controlled environment of the ship to civilian life can be both exciting and challenging, reuniting with family and friends, readjusting to land-based routines, and reflecting on experiences at sea are key aspects of reintegrating into everyday life. Crew members may undergo debriefings, training reviews, and health assessments before resuming regular duties or preparing for future deployments. Overall, life on an aircraft carrier is a blend of hard work, camaraderie, wellness, and personal growth.
carriers, the crew's living quarters are surprisingly compact, despite the vessel's immense size. These tight spaces, known as berthing areas or berths, are specifically designed to accommodate the large number of sailors and maximize the limited available space. Berths are typically organized by rank, with officers and enlisted personnel assigned to separate sleeping quarters. Enlisted personnel's berths often consist of bunk beds, known as racks, stacked 3 high. These racks are designed to be space efficient, with each measuring approximately 6.5 feet long, 3 feet wide, and 2 feet high. Though the sleeping area might appear cramped, it is intended to provide a comfortable resting space for the sailors. Each rack is equipped with a thin mattress, a small pillow, and a privacy curtain that can be closed to offer some degree of seclusion. Additionally, each rack contains a compact storage area beneath the mattress known as the coffin locker, where sailors can store their personal belongings. Given the limited storage space, crew members must learn to pack efficiently and keep their possessions well organized. Larger shared storage spaces are also available for items such as uniforms and equipment. In the berth